first. Are you recording now?
I'm recording now. I just started.
All right, so this is the Big Sky project so far. We're the 22nd of January. We have all of the ceilings ripped out. Did that because we're gonna get a new air conditioning unit, and plus all the blown insulation in there was just covered in rat feces.
Icky.
Yeah. We kept most of the interior drywall because it wasn't in that bad of a shape, but you can tell where we have some patches that we need to do. In the bathroom, both bathrooms, we've pretty much gutted them out because we're going to go back in with new drywall, new everything in here except for the studs.
Except for the studs.
We're going to keep the studs.
I'm a stud.
And then this was the porn room, or the back bedroom.
God.
It did have a 4-inch slant all the way to the back corner, but the foundation company came in and lifted everything up. Now I can't get these windows out. I'm gonna keep the vaulted ceiling in here, it just opens it up a little bit more. But this wall, to open up a little bit more into the kitchen, I'm gonna take this wall out all the way to here and just put a stud there or a beam. Then we ripped out all of the cabinets. We're gonna come through and do new plumbing for all this. Gonna go PEX so it doesn't freeze during the winter time.
This is so cool. You could like live in the walls.
And then we have the master bedroom.
This closet, shoot.
The closet, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna frame this up to here, put a 24-inch door, and it's gonna be a walk-in closet rather than sliding doors. It'll give you a little bit more space. And then in the master bathroom, we still have the stand-up shower, and we're gonna keep it that way, but I raised the ceiling up a little bit so we could put probably a rain shower in there. And then the linen closet in here that is huge. It's half the size of the actual bathroom, but I can't get that space back by going into the other room. It's just kind of wasted space right there. And that's it.
Yay!